My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to use long formula. The long formula we are going to use is if and function. If and function. To do what? To look for the grade for each student. Now we have the score range that is between anyone that scored below 40, the grade will be F, and anyone that scored between 70 and 100, the grade will be A. Let's continue. Please follow me diligently so that you not think that I'm performing miracle or magic. Press is equal to if. The if function will ask you three questions: logical tests, value if it is true, value if it is false. The first one is logical test. If this course here, this particular C2 is less than 40, less than, it means that anything that is less than 40, between 90, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, less than, you press comma. If this C2 is less than 40, comma, what do you want me to return? Value if it is true. Return F. It means that the person has failed. F. Press comma again. If it is false, what do you want me to return? You use another formula, which is if and function. Why? Because you want to use the one that will be between the 40 and 49. If comma and function. The and is logical test 1 and logical test 2. What is our logical test 1? If this space is greater than or equals to 40, that's logical 1, press comma. Logical 2, if this space C2 is less than or equals to 49 here. Now we will close the and function. Close the and function. We are through with and function. Press comma to continue with the if here, comma. Now the if continue with if value it is true. What do you want me to return? It's between the 40 and 49. Return D. It means that the person scored D. Press comma again. If the value is false, what do you want me to return? We will use another if and function again. If and the logical test 1, we start from if C2 here is greater than or equals to 50, logical test 1, comma, press comma. Logical test 2, if this C2 is less than or equals to 59 here. Now let's close the and function. Close the and function. We are through with this and function. Press comma again. The and function represents the logical text. So when you press comma, it will continue if the value is true. What do you want me to return? Press comma. Value if it is true. What do you want me to return? I want you to return C is between 50 and 59. C. Press comma again. If the value is false, so we use another one. If and function again. If and function. Logical. Now if C2 is greater than or equals to 60, comma, logical test 2. If C2 is less than or equals to 69, close the bracket for the and function. It means that the logical test represent the and function. Press comma. It will ask for the next question, which is if function. Value if it is true. What do you want me to return? Return the B, grade B, comma. If it is false, what do you want me to return? We will use another one, which is the final one, and function. If C2 is greater than or equals to 70, comma, logical test 2. If C2 is less than or equals to 100, close the bracket for the AND function which represent logical test, press comma, value if it is true. What do you want me to return? Return A. It means that the person score A. Comma again, which is the final one. Value if it is false. If I did not see anything out of this thing, what do you want me to return? Return nothing. For example, if somebody score 101, return nothing, show nothing. Close the bracket. How many if we use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We use 5 function, 5 if function. So we close the bracket 5. It means that we use 5 if function. 5 if function. We will close the brackets 5 times. Now bracket number 1 we have closed it, bracket number 2 we have closed it, 3, 4, 5. We close it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now press enter. It gives us A. It means that anything between 70 to 100 is A. Double click to show this one. Now this person Olukunle Ismail score 101 with extra 1. I told this thing to show me nothing, anyone, that if it is false, if I put 100 here, that I score 100, it will show A. Or if I had anyone, another student, person score, it show automatically that the person score below 40, which is F. Bola Dada score below 40, which is F, fail. Sunday Bada 49. No, it's not possible. Ah, I'm a teacher. I cannot score below 50. For example, I score 85. Let me give myself 85. It will change to A. See that it has changed to A. Or if you change this one to 40, it will still show D because in between 40 and 49. If I change it to 39, it will show fail. That is it. Very easy to use. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you. We shall meet again. Bye bye.